Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about how to convert the POS expression to standard POS expression. In last lecture we have seen how to convert SOP expression to standard SOP form. The conversion procedure for the POS to the standard POS procedure is the same. We have to follow the same four steps, only the second step is going to be vary. In SOP expression, we were adding together the product term, missing literal and its complements. But in converting the POS expression in standard form, we are ORing the sum term which is having the missing literal with the term which is formed by AND operation of the missing literal and its complement. The remaining steps are same. First one, we have to find the missing literals. Second one, perform the OR operation with the missing literal and its product. Third one, expand the terms and reorder the literals. And fourth one, omit the repeated sum terms. Now let's take example. Convert the given expression into standard POS form. The function given as f of ABC, which is described by the Boolean expression a plus b, a plus c and b plus c. In this expression, the first sum term is not having all literals. Second sum term having all literals. Third sum term is not having all literals. Means this POS expression is not into the standard or canonical form and we have to convert it. To convert into the standard form, first term is find the missing literals. In first sum term, C is missing. Second term, B is missing. Third term, A is missing. After finding the missing literals, now the second step is perform the OR operation with the ending of missing literal and its complement. Now the expression is represented like this. A plus B is altogether C and C complements term. Similarly, the second term A plus is altogether with the term formed by the missing literal B and its complements and operation. Third term is formed B plus C plus A and A bar and. Third step is expand the terms and reorder the literals. Now A plus B is first OR together with a C, then it is OR together with a C bar. Now my expression will become like this. A plus B plus C, then A plus B plus C bar. Similarly, the A plus C is first OR together with B, then it is OR together with B bar. Now I will get the terms like this. A plus C plus B, A plus C plus B bar. In third case, B plus C is OR together with A, then B plus C is OR together with the A bar. And we'll get the terms like this. B plus C plus A, then B plus C plus A bar. After expand operation, now we have to reorder the literals. In the first sum term, all the literals are reordered. Second sum term, all the literals are reordered. Third, all are reordered. Fourth one, A plus B bar plus C, then A plus B C, and then A bar plus B plus After the third step, now repeated terms are omitted. Now a plus b plus c is repeated 3 times. So we have to reduce it. Because we know that a plus a is equal to a by applying the De Morgan's theorem. So a plus b plus c. Second term a plus b plus c bar, it is not repeating. So I am writing a plus b bar plus c is also not repeating. So I am writing as it is. And the last term a bar plus b plus c. Now this is the standard POS form. As each sum term is containing all the letters, this expression is called as, it is in the standard form or in the canonical form.